Yani Tambash and Sabah al Khair. Distinguished guests, colleagues, and friends, good morning. Welcome to the 9th Sulaimani Forum. It's a great honor to host you here at the American University of Iraq Sulaimani, especially on such a beautiful day. The Sulaimani Forum is what Kakoshar Zabari, I like to make eye contact with Kakoshar, right here. The Sulaimani Forum is what Kakoshar Zabari once called the Davos of the Middle East, a place where we gather, not in some faraway capital, but right here, to confront our region's challenges directly. That was your description at the very first Sulaimani Forum back in 2013. How prescient. The Suli Forum, as we call it, is a rare place, is a rare space for open, policy-driven dialogue in a region that needs more of it. And there is a reason it happens here at AUIS. Built on the American liberal arts model, we offer an education grounded in critical thinking, civic responsibility, and academic freedom. Our students come from every province and region of Iraq, and increasingly from neighboring countries, not just to earn degrees, but to engage, to question, and to lead. We're proud of our alumni, many of whom serve in public office, launch startups, and advocate for justice. You may actually know some of them because they work for you. What makes AUIS unique is also what makes it resilient. We are independent, nonpartisan, and not for profit. And we are committed not to just building a better university, but to building a better Kurdistan and a better Iraq. One example of that commitment is our cultural research platform, Kashkol, a space for storytelling, memory, and imagination. Through oral histories, poetry, publications, and exhibitions, Kashkol preserves the voices of communities often erased from the record. Initiatives like Shangal Lives and Mosul Maqam defy terrorism through culture. And we're sharing that heritage with the world by translating Mahwi and Nali into English. And I mustn't forget Shahrazai Talavani too. Let me also highlight IRIS, our Center for Research and our host, the organizer of this forum. IRIS has earned a reputation for tackling Iraq's toughest issues, from the intersection of climate change and conflict to improving Iraq's investment climate. I'm biased, of course, because I'm proud to have been IRIS's inaugural fellow. I'm also excited to share some new initiatives that will deepen our impact here at AUIS. The launch of a new energy center, a state-of-the-art AI lab, preparing our students for the economies of tomorrow, and the training of the first ever Kurdish large language model, ensuring our language and culture are part of the digital future. Academic excellence, community impact, and alumni leadership. These are the pillars of our work here at AUIS. This year's forum will tackle both urgent and long-term challenges, navigating a shifting geopolitical landscape, strengthening the economies of Iraq and Kurdistan, and preparing for elections ahead. In closing, AUIS and the Sulaimani Forum reflect a shared vision, a vision where universities serve society, where learning fuels leadership, and where dialogue is the first step toward real solutions. That vision is rooted in the best American-style education. That vision was brought to life here in Sulaimani by our founder, Dr. Barham Saleh, whom I'm very honored to invite to the podium. Dr. Barham, thank you very much.